right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.